Oh, look at them. They're silly. You chuck on them. Oh. Oh, look, they're silly.
That one's just too busy getting rid of everyone else to actually, like, attack the chips. The people next to us don't seem very impressed by this. I'm getting oil all over the window.
Oh, see, they're leaving now. You pissed them off real bad.
I drop one on the ground in front of you.